Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize our assistant menu button in Samsung Galaxy S22. First of all, we need to turn it on. So we need to go to settings, then accessibility, interaction and dexterity, and here we have our assistant menu button. Yes, allow, and we have this button right here. When we open assistant menu, we have select assistant menu items. So right now, these are all the items that are in here. We can of course delete some, for example this one, and we can add this one, and that's simply it. Now this option is right here, as you can see. No need to save, just back out, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.